In the morning update for gold and silver, the selling entry for gold was at 2012 and for silver was at 2390, and precisely it has taken the good support at around 2004 that was expected, and silver at 2370. I hope you all profited till now. So what to expect today with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now see, first of all, gold has got the resistance here at 2024 zone, and since then it has given another round of good drop. Now still, if you look at the bottom, see the highs here, and rather I'll say the lows here, and the lows here are still giving it, you can say, higher lows, and it is still trying to stabilize at a little higher levels. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 2000, certainly one can stay short. That is very, very clear. Below 2000, the target is 1995, 1985, 80 levels, with 1980 very, very good support, and that should not be breached for the month of May. But yes, 1980 is going to remain the strongest support for now if it continues to drop on the downside. Now look closely on the hourly charts. 2010.5, very good resistance has been seen. 4 candles getting the resistance there, and then increasing bearishness has been seen, and hence any buy entry is recommended. If you see it trading above 2011, you can take a buy entry. Expect 2015 and then 2020 levels. Now see, this is possible that it can try to trade in this box, because you can see the complete movement so far is limited within the box itself. Now if you look at the two lows here, see this is the third bottom it has tried to create, and you can say marginally higher lows are getting created. So this is still trying to consolidate, and hence any drop below 2000 is going to be decisive. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish here. And if you look at now on the 2-hour chart, see previous 2 candles, flat top, higher lows, and this candle is trying to break out. Certainly, I will wait for it to breach past 2000. Then only further bearishness is going to prevail. Till the time possibility of a bounce back exists, it is also trading outside the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Yes, it can stretch the drop. However, a pullback is mandatory, because the Bollinger Bands cannot be stretched at a time, and hence the pullback can be seen. It may not afford to stay outside the Bollinger Bands. Now see the stochastic almost flat. The MACD divergent and bearish again. It is crossed over and it is trading below 0 levels itself. RSI is also looking down. RSI is trying to trade bearish. Now look at 3. Now see on the 3-hour chart, to see it consolidated here. You can see this, and then this breakout. Now the complete movement is limited between this candle itself. It tried to trade outside Bollinger Bands, got the pullback. Now this complete movement is limited within this move, and hence till 2000 let's watch out for. And a buy entry at 2012 can be taken, but then 2011 can be taken, but then 2015, 2018, 2020 zone is going to be the limiting factor, beyond which only bullishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking down. MACD again crossing over for a sell here. RSI is also trying to trade bearish, looking downwards. And on the 4-hour, now look at 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. I will wait for it to break out either which way, certainly to take a direction. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent bearish, looking downwards. But see, this all is happening at a lower levels. You can see this is the bottom for gold. Previously the rise was from this point, and now it has retraced till here, and hence we need to be watchful. RSI also looking down, trying to trade bearish. And look at the daily. Now see on the daily charts, you can see this I was talking about on the hourly charts. Marginally higher lows are seen. At the same time, certainly we can see this lower high. So lower high is almost flat bottom. After this bullish candle, after these 2 bullish candle, it is indicating consolidation, and any breakout beyond 20, 30, 30, 40 is certainly one should watch out for, because beyond that it is going to fly high. Now right now, yes, for the day you can buy here at 2011. This is also 20 period moving average, which is going to give it a little resistance. So 2011 you can buy, but then 2015, 2020 zone, or rather till 2015, 2025, one has to be extremely careful. Achieving those levels, it can drop again. Stochastic at bottom, MACD again divergent and bearish. It is trading with bearishness here. RSI looking down. Considering this, for the day you can sell below 2000 and buy above 2011. For this $11, let's not trade. On the downside, 1995, 1985, 1980, very strong support exists till 1980, and hence you should trade with a trailing stop loss of $5. On the upside, till 2025, we have to put a trailing stop loss of $5. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you're trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. You can see here 2420 as mentioned is a very good resistance. After getting the resistance at 2420, we have seen a good drop, then retracement, now trying to look downwards. And that is why 2395 is the level beyond which one can stay long for 24 rather I will say till 2410. I will not consider this as bullish for the day. If it breaks past 2410, certainly 2420, and then my favorite 2440, 50 levels will also be seen today itself, and hence one can remain long about 2395, and that is the level beyond which more bullishness can be expected. Now right now what is happening, see slightly higher highs, slightly higher lows, and it is still trying to consolidate in this zone. Any move beyond 2410 is something I will look forward to in order to confirm a rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over and it is trading below zero levels. It is trading with the bearishness. See, silver here has completed this journey, now again trying to look downwards. Let's be watchful because it is all happening at a sub-zero levels. It can possibly show you a reversal. RSI at bottom. If you look at 2 hours, on the 2 hour charts, the moving averages have again started to diverge. It is giving you higher lows for now, and possibly once it stays about below 2370, that is the level below which you can stay short. Till the time it stays about 2370, possibility of a reversal exists, and then a reversal beyond 2410 and 2420 is something we should look out for. Beyond that, we may look forward to 2440, 2450 zone. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD again trying to cross over for a sell, but this is all happening at a sub-zero levels. It is all happening at a below zero line. This is still got the scope for it to bounce back, and strong recovery can be expected. RSI at bottom, and if you look at 3 hour chart, now look at 3 hour chart, see 3 increasingly bearish candle. It has breached the previous lows. Yes, it failed to sustain below 2370, very good support 2370, 2350 levels, and now trying to retrace. And if you look at red candles, a possibility of a reversal exists. If it stays about 2395, 2410 levels, then you can confirm that silver is trying to trade bearish, and we can see it flying high. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to cross over for a sell, but it is still very much in the green zone. It is still got the possibility for it to rise. RSI again very near to the oversold zone. And if you look at 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour chart, see first of all this candle was a breakout candle, because before that we were looking at higher lows and flat top. This candle given a breakout. After the breakout, we can see again higher low. So it is respecting 2370 levels for sure, and there is a pivot at 2390. Beyond that, 2410 levels is something we should wait and watch out for. Beyond that, only confirmation of a reversal exists, and it can completely erase the losses if it continues to trade bullish about 2395. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading with little divergence. It is still in green, and it is still got scope for it to continue with the rise. I will be definitely looking for the rise. Let's see when it shows, but right now it is trading bearish. It is given a breakout. RSI oversold. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, from the pivot here at 24, you can see 30 cents move there on the downside. On the upside, if it reverses from here, trades about 2410, you can again expect 2430, 2440 levels. Yes, I will wait for it to reverse. Right now it is still trading bearish. It has given a breakout. See, trading outside Bollinger Bands, getting the support from the 100 period moving average, and that is where it is trying to get the support from the exponential average and trying to bounce. But remember, see couple of red candles, 2 retracement candles, and this is the first drop. If it fails to stay above 2410, then more bearishness, and specifically below 2350, you can expect that the silver will head for 2320, 23, and then below that, in fact 2250, 22 cannot be denied. Stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, candle size has flattened, possibility of convergence exists, RSI at bottom again. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 2370 2395 levels for now, and any drop below 2370 certainly going to bring, it has to sustain for a while, and certainly once it stays below 2370 we can expect further more drop, which is going to take it for 2350 2320 levels, and on the upside beyond 2410 certainly more bullishness is going to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.